Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how to insert double line table in MS Word. Go to the insert on top menu bar, click on table and select the number of rows and column you want in your table. Once you done it, click on this button and select the entire table. Right click and go to the table properties. And here you need to click on the borders and shading and then click on the border, and after that you need to click on the all and scroll down, and here you will see that double lines. Click on that and here you can change the color of the lines. For example, I'm selecting this blue color, so you can also select the width. So in the preview you can see that the double line border is applied. And also make sure you need to check a table option from this drop down menu and then click OK and click OK. And here is the double line table is inserted MS Word. If you want to insert double line table in a particular row or column, what you have to do is you need to select the row or column, whatever you want, and on the upper menu bar you will see that table design. Click on that and here is the option of the border. Here is the double line and here is the width. You can increase or decrease, and on the border you need to select the bottom border. And this is easy way you can insert double line table in MS Word. So I think this video helpful to you and you have understand it correctly. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.